Optica is well known for its in-person executive-level events, especially the Executive Forum at OFC and the new Global Photonics Economic Forum. But your next networking opportunity is the Executive VIP reception in San Francisco, California on Monday, January 27th at the wonderful Museum of Modern Art, the MoMA. This year, the keynote will be given by Dr. Edwin Roks, CEO of Teledyne, a global leader in the development and manufacturing of advanced sensing and decision support systems. Through strategic acquisitions of brands like FLIR, DALSA, E2B, and Raymarine, Teledyne continues to expand end-to-end capabilities in the commercial, industrial, healthcare, and defense and space sectors. With over $5.6 billion in sales in 2024, Teledyne stands as a major force in optics and photonics. Dr. Roks will share insights on their acquisition strategy and how they balance their portfolio of highly engineered, full decision support scale of products. He will build on remarks he made in Malaga. Remember this.
So we are a global sensing and decision support company. We are a New York Stock Exchange company. We are an S&P 500 company, so we are on the radar. We are in the high end. Yeah? So you will see us in deep space. You will see us in deep sea. You will see us in healthcare. And you will see us in defense and security. So really high-end applications where you cannot miss any bit, okay? Because it can be life-threatening. Yesterday, some folks spoke a lot about, let's say, cash generation. That's critical for us. That's critical for us because we like to buy companies. We bought, since the spin-out of Teledyne Technologies out of the old Teledyne, I would say, we did 70 acquisitions. And we spent about 12 billion. All our acquisitions, I can tell you, were very successful. Yeah? Why is that? Because we don't buy startups. We simply don't. Yeah? We pay sometimes a bit extra for a mid-sized company. Yeah? So the risk is limited. We partner with startups and we attract startups. We try to work with them, but we normally wait a while, yeah? till we do an acquisition. You also see, let's say, you see the bubbles where we did most of the acquisitions, and you see that most of the acquisitions were in instrumentation and in digital imaging. The early days, mostly marine businesses, environmental businesses, and later on more in the imaging. And of course, the big bubble there, the big planet you see, is FLIR. Why do we have so many sites for 14,000 people? That's because we want to be close to the people. Our experts will not move. Let me give you an example of James Webb. James Webb, we have 95% of all the pixels. Most of the images you see from James Webb, it was launched in 2021. You see, it's most of the thermal and the visible images are from us.
Remember, this is an Optica executive level event and is by invitation only. If you haven't yet received your invitation, please drop me a line and we'll try to get you in because you don't want to miss this one.